Hey family, good news. My book is back up and available on Amazon. Plantifully is now officially a go for the second time. Thank you guys for all of your love and support and all of your patience. I have been really overwhelmed by all of the love and grace that you guys have sent my way through all of this. I know you guys are wonderful, but I don't know, I guess I wasn't expecting the amount of love and support I got back from you guys through this messy business. So thank you so much. I love you and appreciate you guys so much. I feel so very blessed to have you guys with me on this journey of life. So you should not be seeing duplicate pages or missing recipes, any of that stuff. The correct file is in. Now, again, because these are printed on demand by Amazon, when you purchase one, it is printed and sent to you. Amazon will have occasionally some printing mishaps, but that doesn't have to do with the file that the book is printed from. That is just, once we saw somebody send us a picture of her cookbook with a children's book printed in the middle of it, and that is something that I can completely not control. It doesn't happen often, but again, in that situation, you just return it to Amazon, tell them that, there's printing issues, there's whatever is wrong with it, and they will get you a new one. Now, when we spoke to Amazon, they did tell us that the UK, and I can't remember if Australia was like this as well, does not print on demand. They print ahead of time. So if you are purchasing this book for the first time and you get a copy that has duplicate pages or recipes that are missing, that is not the correct copy. So send it back, and it should be printed from the fresh batch as far as I understand. So please, if you are not in the US, keep me posted on what you're seeing happening so that we can address it with Amazon accordingly. So in the US, Amazon assured us that they will only be printing from the correct file. However, please contact our support team through my website if you reorder and get one of my books with the same errors in it, because I need to know so I can address it. This whole self-publishing business is way more stressful and expensive than I ever thought it was going to be. I actually turned down a really big book deal that was offered to me, but it was going to delay me being able to get the book out to you by at least another year, and I was going to lose rights to all of my content and how I share it freely with you guys. But at this point, it's like seriously sounding really good. If you see a small spelling error, I apologize. Like, we have gone through several editors and it just seems really difficult to catch every little thing. This is actually why I don't like having a physical book, because ebooks, I can just update the files for you guys, but I just hear so much from you guys that you want a physical book, and I totally understand because I'm the same way. So I just want you to know that I do the very best that I can. I'm trying really hard. Going with that book deal would solve a lot of problems. So like I said, I'm definitely thinking twice about having turned it down. I apologize that I can't lower the price of the book. It's just so expensive to self-publish. I honestly only make a few dollars on every single book, so I'm sorry. I have gotten emails where people are just like really upset that the book is priced the way it is, and there's nothing I can do. So again, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Thank you for all of the emails and messages. It really means the world to me. I don't want to get emotional with you guys, but I really love you. I really appreciate you. Thank you. The book, again, it's available. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I hope you have a beautiful day.